You can now access new installation and setup documentation online for the new FAS and all-flash FAS systems from docs.netapp.com. Let's see what's new. From docs.netapp.com, choose the documentation link for your new system. Let's check out the new installation content options in the Documentation Center by clicking the options to help install an A800 system. You can choose what format you want to see the installation and setup documentation in: online guide, video, or PDF poster. The PDF poster has step-by-step instructions and live links. Installation and setup videos walk you through how to set up your system from unboxing to cabling and software configuration. The installation and setup guide lives right in this doc center, offering complete searchable, animated instructions to guide you through installing and configuring your system. You can also download the setup guide in printable PDF or EPUB formats. If you want, you can check an overview of the install process by reviewing a high-level workflow before you begin. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, use the feedback options in the Doc Center to contact us. Follow us on Twitter for the latest NetApp documentation news.